Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 306, or Who are Brigands? Who are brigands? Under Article 306, when more than 3 armed persons form a band of robbers for the purpose of committing robbery in the highway or kidnapping persons for the purpose of extortion or to obtain ransom or for any other purpose to be attained by means of force and violence, they shall be deemed highway robbers or brigands. There is brigandage when the following requisites are present. First, there be at least 4 armed malefactors. Second, they form a band of robbers. And third, the purpose is any of the following: to commit robbery in the highway, to kidnap persons for the purpose of extortion or to obtain ransom, and to attain by means of force and violence any other purpose. Na-discuss po natin sa Article 296 kung ano ang meaning ng armed and malefactors. However, kapag ang ginamit na armas ay unlicensed firearms, may presumption po tayo. They are presumed na sila ay highway robbers or brigands. Basta yung adhikain nila ay yung tatlong nabanggit natin kanina. Kailan nako-consummate itong crime na ito? Mere formation of band of highway robbers consummates the crime of brigandage. Pag yung 4 na armadong tao ay nag-organize para gawin kahit isa sa mga purposes ng brigandage, liable agad sila ng brigandage. Actual commission of robbery on the highway is not an element of brigandage. Who are the victims? Brigandage is a crime of depredation, wherein the unlawful acts are directed not only against specific, intended, or preconceived victims, but against any and all prospective victims anywhere on the highway and whoever they may potentially be. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.